Ang sublimation large format ng DT Dumaguete ay nagamit na 7 araw. Ito naman yung printer head. Ito naman yung capping. Head clean. Nasa ng wiper pagkatapos mag-heat clean. After heat clean, nozzle test. Yung system tama lang. Ground wire. AVR. With tank, tilinis lang po ito every Tuesday. Ito po yung stock namin na hindi pa nagamit na SIM-YK. Ito po yung sublimation paper. Ito naman yung consumable withdrawals namin sa system. Ito naman yung daily output record namin sa system. Ito naman yung weekly physical inventory namin sa system. Ito naman yung ICC profile namin.